Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show how to concatenate words and numbers in Excel. So I have two tables here. The first one, I'm going to use the first name and last name to make it a full name. So what I'll do is I'll type in equals and then type in concatenate, or since it had automatically populated, I'll click on this and then I'll click on the A4 cell, comma, and then I will put a space in between. So inverted comma open, space, inverted comma closed, and then comma, text number. So I already have text 1. Text 2 is the space in between, and text 3 would be cell B4, the last name, and I'll just go ahead and enter it. So this is the full name, and to fill other rows, I will go ahead and drag this, and all of these have full names now. Similarly, for example, the student IDs are only 4 letters at first, and we want to change it to 5 letters. So we are trying to add a 0 or 1 in, at, in the front of 4 letters. What we can do is concatenate the numbers. So similarly, like with the names, I'll type in equals, concatenate the first text, comma. I will not be adding space here because we're trying to make this a 5-letter student ID. So I'll just go ahead and click on this cell and enter it. So here's our 5-letter student ID. And I'll go ahead and drag this to fill other rows. And here is the concatenation. Hope you like this video. If you haven't already subscribed to my videos, um, please go ahead and, or if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and please hit the like button as well. Thank you so much. Bye bye.